important milestone. Our first senior secondary class, that is 6th class, has been introduced. 5 years ago, it was a distant dream, but today it is a reality. We are extremely elated to see Smartans grow into confident young adults ready to take on life challenges. Keeping this in mind, our focus this year has been on increasing the level of responsibility and accountability of Smartans. And the result can be seen on this stage today. This year we have brought around 60 children to do comparing on stage. Our teachers have done a remarkable job to make this happen. Our efforts have been to develop intrinsic motivation and move towards more and more student-led events. It is not necessary that every child excels in academics, but he may shine in some other field. And to keep each child's interests alive, we have numerous activities in our school which promote their internal locus of control without needing constant push and pull from others. By doing this, we are making them responsible in their words, actions and deeds. Smartans participated in several activities this year, one of which was the 17th SOF National Science Olympiad. We also introduced yoga and lawn tennis in our curriculum, along with German language for our juniors. The continuous support from the parents and the dedication of teachers makes these pursuits possible for our young Smartans. I believe we need to lead by example. What children learn from us the most is our attitude, values and perception. And this is the message we need to give them collectively. The years of coming will be defining years of the pedagogic journey of Smartans. And in all this, what we need is our parents to partner with us at all levels. After all, holistic education of our students is a common goal. The school has carved a niche for itself amongst the cluster of organizations in the city and will continue to spread its wings far and wide. As our journey persists, we take on new challenges, new solutions and new heights. We know ideas will be born, to be discarded, to be adopted, to succeed and to triumph. But we shall not cease from exploration. Here I am reminded of the wise words of Winston Churchill. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful show put up by our Smartans and take back some fond memories with you. May God be with us as we go on. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for the pearls of wisdom. Women are the real architects of society, and fastest way to change society is to uphold the women. She has to recognize her skills. She can have all the tools of the world. If she doesn't genuinely believe in herself, it's useless. It's time to empower women and make them believe in themselves.
Believe in yourself, take on your challenges, dig deep within yourself to conquer fears. Never let anyone bring you down. You have to keep going. This is the success mantra.
परिंदे अब के उड़ा कर तू जा जला सूरज को जाके आसमां पे तू ऐ परिंदे भर ऐसी उड़ान तू हर नजरिए तुझसे पूछे आग इतनी क्यों. Saying these words, Smartan of grade first day are coming on the stage.
परिंदे यूं अब के उड़ा कर तू जा जला सूरज को जाके आसमां पे तू है परिंदे भर ऐसी उड़ाने तू हर नजर ये तुझसे पूछे आग इतनी क्यों धूल उड़ा जाके मंजिलों पे यूं के इन हवाओं से तेरी यारी है उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है राहों में जो भी आए वो बादल बन के मुश्किलों के उनको बता देना रे परे रहना रे जिंदा दिलों से ओ अंदाज है तेरा बेफिक्र मौज तू के अब तेरी मुट्ठी में दुनिया सारी है उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है परिंदे यूं अब के उड़ा कर तू जा जला सूरज को जाके आसमां पे तू है परिंदे पर ऐसी उड़ाने तू हर नजर ये तुझसे पूछे आग इतनी क्यों धूल उड़ा जाके मंजिलों पे यूं के इन हवाओं से तेरी यारी है उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है मुट्ठी में दुनिया सारी है
Everywhere you look, from the CEO who runs Fortune 500 company to the housewife who raises her children and heads her household, we will continue to break down walls and defy stereotypes.
सहन शक्ति नारी की पहचान है, कमजोरी नहीं। ये आज मैं सबसे कहती हूँ जो दुर्गा थी और काली भी, शीतल धारा गंगा की। मैं हूँ वही, मैं अबला नहीं हूँ सीधी सादी और नज़म सह पाऊंगी। जो मेरे अभिमान को ललकारा मैं लक्ष्मीबाई बन जाऊंगी। ना छूने दूंगी आंचल को, ये मान है स्वाभिमान मेरा। निराश्रित हूँ, स्वच्छंद हूँ, सक्षम हूँ मैं खुद में ही, ये आज मैं सबसे कहती हूँ।
What message does the woman of this era want to convey? Let's listen her confident words by a great second B on the stage.
हाथों में पिघलता है लोहा, खगन खन ना उम्मीद न कोई लकीर। मेरा सब कुछ मेरा हौसला, खगन खन हिम्मत है मेरी तकदीर। मुझे कम ना किसी से आँखियों, मुझे कम ना किसी से आँखियों।
गगन गन गन गगन गन गन गगन गन गन गगन गन हाथों में पिघलता है लोहा, गगन गन ना उम्मीद न कोई लकीर। मेरा सब कुछ मेरा हौसला, गगन गन हिम्मत है मेरी तकदीर। मुझे कम न किसी से आँखियों, मुझे कम न किसी से आँखियों। दूर जाने पागलपन, गन गगन गन 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 गगन
now participate fully in areas such as education, sports, politics, media, art and culture, service sectors, science and technology. Indira Gandhi, who served as Prime Minister of India for an aggregate period, is the world's longest serving woman Prime Minister.
When it comes to the achievements of modern women, there are few names to reckon with: Saina Nehwal, Vidya Balan, Kalpana Chawla, Saina Mirza, P.T. Usha.
These names shine like lights of darkness of life, calmness of a river, and as tall as the mountains of Himalayas. Mary Kom is one of them, and now Smartens of Theatre Group will show us glimpse of Mary Kom's life in a form of a role play.
There's a curfew in Manipur and several people died during the riots. Mary is roaming on the streets where she finds a pair of an old boxing glove. She picks it, hides it, and runs off home. Mary's father comes back from a farm, and meanwhile, Mary also comes back.
Chutteja, what are you hiding?
No, nothing, Father.
Show me your hands. The other hand. What is this? This is only for boys, not for girls, not for you. Give me food. Children don't listen these days.
Go for sleep, Chunteja. Tomorrow you have your school.
Okay, Mother.
Mary sleeps cuddling with her boxing glove where she dreams of becoming a boxer.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं, खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
Mary and Teresa goes to school, and on the way they find
See, Teresa is coming. Let's make fun of her.
Don't make fun of others. Come, Teresa.
Chuntenza. Are you okay, Chuntenza? Are you okay?
Yes. Let's go.
on the way back, Mary finds her brother sitting and crying.
dear?
Nothing.
Tell me, what happened?
Baba could not pay back, so bad people took away Chabi. I want Chabi back. I want her back.
Listen, don't cry. I will get her back.
Promise?
Yes, promise.
There's a street fight in the nearby village and Mary decides to take part in it.
Yes! You want to fight with me? Or you want to fight with me? Who wants to fight with me? You? You will fight with me? You will? Yeah!
Then Mary decides to make her appearance in the street fight.
I'll fight with you. You little girl, you will fight with me? Go home and cook food. Fighting is not for you. Are you afraid of me? Oh, stubborn girl. So it's settled. Every 15 seconds, if you are able to fight with me, I'll double your money.
Okay, let's fight then.
45 seconds. 45 seconds. 45 seconds.
Though Mary lost the match, she earned her first 900 rupees and with that, she brought Chaubi back home and made her family happy again. Mary decides to go to the boxing federation to learn how to box, where she saw a number of athletes practicing. There she also saw her coach practicing and she approaches her coach.
Sir,
Yes?
I want to learn boxing.
Why? Are you a boxer?
No sir, I'm a fighter. तुम सिखाएगा तो बॉक्सर भी बन जाएगा.
Tell me 5 reasons why you want to learn boxing.
I love boxing, I love boxing, I love boxing, I love boxing. Do I need to tell you the 5th time?
Your passion for boxing is taller than your height. Let's start our training.
Yes.
Mary, what is the shape of the world?
Round.
No, it is square for you. Give boxing your everything.
Yes sir, I'll make India proud.
Good.
After practicing for several months, Mary goes home to tell her parents the good news that she is going to the boxing championship.
Mother, I'm going in championship. Do you know in what?
What?
In boxing.
What? What are you saying? Do you want family or boxing? Family or boxing?
Boxing.
What?
Listen. Don't wait, Chinteza. I'll support you.
Thank you, mother.
Mary decides to go to the boxing championship where everybody is preparing and her coach prepares Mary for the world boxing match.
Please,
Mary is all excited for her championship and she is eagerly waiting for her turn. We have her opponent from Germany, and then we have Mary Kom from India.
Yay!
1, 2, fight! 1, 2, 3. Stop!
Do you like color silver?
No, sir.
Even I don't like it. I like gold, then you should also like it.
Yes, sir, I'll get it.
Then go and fight.
1, 2, fight!
Come on, Mary, you can do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Yeah.
And the winner is Mary Kom from India. This woman here truly symbolizes the phrase strength of a woman. We are privileged to see this legend in action here today. She has displayed tremendous courage, strength and determination, and it's our honor to award this champion the title of Magnificent Mary. Mary Kom is the only woman boxer to represent India at the 2012 London Olympics, winning a bronze medal. She bagged the gold medal at the Asiad 2014 and still is 8 times reigning world boxing champion. Let's hope we have many more Mary Koms from our school and other parts of India. Thank you.
The status of women in India has been subjected to many great changes, from equal status with man in ancient times through the low points in medieval period to the promotion of equal rights by many reformers. The history of women in India has been eventful. In modern India, women have held high offices, including that of Prime Minister, President, and Speaker of Lok Sabha. She has stepped beyond the traditional role and set a benchmark of courage for others.
Call me